Here I have XIAOMI 13T Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool, which might help you to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located somewhere on the edge of our device, right here. So we can slightly remove the cover. Then we have to use this tool. We have to put it inside this hole on the slot, slightly press it, and the slot pops out. So as you can see, there's no micro SD slot, so we can just throw it away. Here we put SIM card 1, and from other side we have SIM card 2 slot. So let's insert slot 1 and then put it back into device just like this. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.